Guys, here's Ty again with another video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Today we're going to make vanilla pudding. We are going to need 2 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to start with making the caramel sauce because we're going to put it in a cup. But first of all, we need to cook it for us to achieve the caramel filling. After we're done, we're going to take our chosen cups and pour a small amount as I'm illustrating above. And we're going to the next step of preparing the pudding. For the pudding, we're going to need 2 medium-sized eggs, and we're going to beat them slowly and avoid bubbles in our mixture. That's the main key, because we want our pudding at the end of the day to be smooth. We're going to add our 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can use crystal sugar as well. And we are going to mix our mixture nicely, slowly, and avoid the bubbles. As I said before, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, and if you have the normal vanilla essence, you can use it. Then we're going to add our 1 cup of lukewarm milk. And as I said before, don't forget to mix it slowly. I'm really trying here. Mix it slowly to avoid the bubbles. Of course, you can see 1 or 2 bubbles, but don't worry about it. Just mix it slowly, or as slowly as possible. When you're done, of course, you'll see some egg whites which were not properly mixed. You'll sieve them before putting our mixture into our chosen glasses or cups. When you finish placing our pudding inside our cup, don't forget to cover them with alu folio while you are boiling your water. Like I'm illustrating, it's a bit far. I hope you can see it well. And when our water has really cooked, you can put it down to low and cook it on a low heat. And cover our pot with our lid and steam it for 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, you can remove one and check it out. Make sure you're safe while removing it, because it can be too hot. Now I'm just gonna scratch this side so that when removing my pudding at the end of everything, it will be really nice. I'll place my pudding afterwards in the fridge for 4 hours. Then after 4 hours, here is the result of the caramel pudding. Voila! Isn't that amazing? Guys, I couldn't believe myself. Haven't you seen that shake? That's the shake of a perfect pudding. If you like this video, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when I upload, you'll be able to get a notification. Bye. See you in the next video.